Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this unit is out of a 1969 Charger. Comes from Bob in Boston, Massachusetts. Bob has requested the modern FM conversion for greatly increased output power and to add FM, of course, and he's also requested the Bluetooth feature. So we're here to make sure everything works before you send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
And law enforcement generally.
Okay, I'm going to activate our balance and fader controls real quick.
The way that they make their money, they're
balance,
free to use, right?
Balance
they're
right.
Not really free. They're taking all of
balance
your data
left.
and they're monetizing that data. They sell it to advertisers. They
Balance
also
right.
work hand in glove with the federal government
Balance
to monitor
left.
exactly what you are doing. Well, your data is your own. There's no reason you should be handing it over.
Okay, now I'm going to
any of those
activate the
people.
front rear fader, and it's a little bit different on each radio. On this radio, I found that putting the tone control in the center position and going upwards from there works most of the time. Let's try it.
A different secure IP of your choice. ExpressVPN also encrypts all your data, so it's protected from
Not that time,
hackers and anyone else trying to spy on you. ExpressVPN is extremely easy to use. Just download the app on your phone or computer, tap one button, and you're now protected. Your fader
there we go.
To the greedy
it just takes a while to develop the particular touch on your radio, so we're all the way rear, all the way front, all the way rear, all the way front. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
ExpressVPN.com/Ben Shapiro. ExpressVPN.com/Ben Shapiro. Okay, so again, from fader
set. Okay, let's see if I can do it again.
Tuesday, and then he put out another post saying, "quote It's time." Fader adjust.
Okay, so now that I know the feel of this particular radio, I can do it. It may take you a while.
Protest. And this, of course, led the entire media to immediately jump into.
So let's make sure we can do it. I'll give you a closer view
there's
of
nothing
what I'm
illegal
doing
about calling
here.
for people to protest. If there were, then the entire Black Lives Matter movement would have never got
Starting
off
at
the
the
ground.
center. Now this tone control has a center detent, so you know right when it's in the center. So you rotate it to the center, and then you go twice upwards, kind of slowly.
Does not mean that he's calling for a violent insurrection.
Didn't work that time. Try it again.
You know how I know? Because there's an actual crime in the United States called incitement. You can be prosecuted for it. If you say to your neighbor, you should go out and you should commit an act of violence against fader.
There we go.
It's an act of violence.
So it just persists.
You will be prosecuted for incitement. It is not incitement to say protest. Fader.
Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go over to FM, which we do on this unit by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations there.
Urinate, even though you just went.
Wall systems. They make building a retaining wall so easy you can. So I had my foot on the gas.
Into her new house recently. I looked at the parts that the builder put on her garage. Parts that were just. And more music matters, Michael.
All ages.
Or visit bladdercenter.com. By Medicare.
Dollars. So imagine.
We're dancing with the bag and I fill up the plate. We took.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Quick speaker check. Alrighty. Pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. And it does. So she's ready to go back. I don't think I put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode, so let's make sure it does that.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so now we know the Bluetooth is working as well. So everything's groovy. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to probably have some supper. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM radio. I can add FM. An aux input is always included at no extra charge on a conversion, not on a repair job. And we can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, and who knows what else might be available by the time you're ready to send your radio in. So thanks so much for watching and listening. You can reach me by visiting the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with questions, because the work order is designed to answer all your questions as you're filling it out, including questions about turnaround time. That's what everybody wants to know, and that's a question I'm so sick of being asked, so I just say it's on page 9 of the work order, and I won't discuss it any further. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Bob, for your business all the way from Boston, Massachusetts, and we'll see you guys next time.